and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Info Systems, your ultimate source for all ERP solutions. So today we will be talking about automation in Odoo CRM. So currently we are on Odoo version 17 database. Now let's dive into the CRM application. So this is how CRM application looks like. There are default stages that have been created, new qualified proposition and one. We can add the stages by clicking on stage. Now uh, upon the stages we have the settings gear icon. So when we click on that we have four options, as we can fold the stages, edit the stages, and new option of automation in Odoo version 17, and then we can delete the stages. Now let's go to automations. Here by clicking on new we can add the new automation rules. Now let's click on automation. So this is the model that we can select on which specific model we want to apply the automation rules. And this is the button of trigger where we can set the specific stages, on which stage we want to trigger the automation rules, or specific user to be set and priority, and many more. We have this custom options, timing conditions, email events, and many more. Then we have before update domain, so we can edit the domain and match the records. Now let's check one of the automation rules that have been configured earlier. You can see we have used the model lead and opportunity, and stage is set to 1. Now let's define the stage option. So let's make the stage 1. So if the lead and opportunity is set to 1, then this automation rule will be triggered. Now by clicking on add action, we can add multiple actions. We have this option of we can update any record, such as by updating record we can choose this is the customer, and if we want to add specific tags we can choose here as well. Then we can create an activity, so it would be any call, any email, any meetings, and many more with specific user type. Then we option of send email, we can also say, choose specific email template and select the email, send email as message, note, or email option. Then we can also send a SMS, also add follower or remove follower from lead and opportunity, also create new record based on that, and execute any code. Also we have this option of send webhook notification and execute existing actions. Let's check one of the conditions that we have been added. Now first condition we have added is add a follower. So the case would be, suppose when we won this stage, when specific lead and opportunity is in one stage, so we want that our specific senior salesperson should follow up on this lead and opportunity. So this specific person should be added as a follower when this any lead or opportunity has been moved to one stage. So this is how we can add the automation action. And second we have added is uh, when a specific lead and opportunity move to one stage, we have selected this email template, and we can select the send email as message, email, and not. So this specific mail will be triggered. You can see when we select send email as, the message will be posted as a message on the record notifying all the followers. It will appear in the messaging history, means this mail would be triggered to customer as well as the all the followers of this, of that opportunity. Now let's save this and see how it works in actual. Let's go to my pipeline and again creating a new lead. Let's choose a person whose opportunity we have been creating. You can see we have created a Cooper's opportunity. Now let's move to qualified stage. You can see the follower we have is only training, that is our current salesperson. Now let's move to proposition stage. Also, nothing has been changed. This is as it is. Now let's click on one. You can see we have won the opportunity, and as soon as we click on one, the person has been added in the followers of this lead and opportunity, and this is the mail that is been triggered when we click on one stage. So this is how automation rules are work in Odoo version 17, and this is how we can automate the multiple rules, any schedule action, and many things by using automation rules. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and stay updated. Thank you.